I decided to jump into Canva and create a celebratory Instagram carousel post dedicated to bigging up our Jamaican athletes who did really well at the World Athletics Championships. Now I'm gonna tell you, athletes going good, and for me, I like to celebrate our people. And what better way than to do it than creating a post in a Canva. Now, if you know me, I'm a Canva girl, right? I'm a Canva Certified Creative and a Canva Ambassador and Educator. And so for me, like, Canva is just my go-to. I had a lot of fun creating this graphic, and trust me when I tell you, the imagery, the elements, everything just brought it together for me. I sat down and I just poured all I could into this graphic. And if you want to learn how to create Instagram carousel posts, you want to subscribe to my channel, you want to make a comment and let me know, how do you like the final result?
Crashing to the track, Antonio Watson is in a dream.